simple C program to display hello world on the screen. Since it's a very simple program, it is often used to illustrate the syntax of a programming language. To understand this example, you should have the knowledge of following C programming topic. The hash include stdio.h is a preprocessor command. This command tells compiler to include the contents of stdio.h standard input and output files in the program. The stdio.h file contains functions such as scanf function and print function to take input and display output respectively. If you use printf function without writing hash include stdio.h, the program will not be compiled. The execution of a C program starts from the main function. The printf function is a library function to send formatted output to the screen. In this program, the printf display hello world text on the screen. The return 0 statement is the exit status of the program. In simple terms, program ends with this statement.